Hey everyone, welcome to this new PDF Maker tutorial. Today I'll show you exactly how you can create professional PDF documents using PDF Maker API. This is perfect whether you are building reports, invoices, contracts or any type of custom documents directly from your application. So to create your template, just click on to create new template and give a template name. Add a data source. So under this section, choose API and click next. So now the blank template is created. Before adding your placeholders to your template, just create the content part of your template. So once you're done creating your template, you will have to add your placeholders. In order to create placeholder, you can create it from the section. There are three different types of placeholders: text, image and table. So here, since I have name and age, I'll be adding text placeholders first. So I'll just give name, copy the placeholder, click and copy it, paste it where you want it to be placed and create another. Just repeat the same process. And when it comes to photo, I need an image placeholder here. So I'm just clicking onto images, typing a name and copying the placeholder and placing it. And when it comes to table, I'll just toggle to the table section. So under table also, I'll have to first create a table placeholder. I'll just give this name table. When you scroll down, you will be able to see these two steps. So this particular step 1 has to be copied and placed on the column 1, and this particular step 2 has to be copied and pasted on the last column. Even if you have 4 to 5 columns, if 5th column is your last column, you will be placing this particular step 2 on that particular column. So after the step is done, you can start placing your other placeholders. So since it is name, I'll just choose a text placeholder, copy it and place it after the starting point. And since the next one is photo, I'll just go to images, type photo, copy this placeholder and I'm placing it here. I'm just going to text and copying age. And when you place it on the last column, you should place the placeholder before the backslash symbol. So once you have done placing all your placeholders, now you can save this particular document and automate it. So after this particular step, you will need Postman to give API calls. So just open your Postman. So once you open your Postman, you will have to first change it to post, and then in the place of URL, you can copy this API endpoint and place it over here. So this part is done, and then move on to headers. So under headers, just type in the API key. To find the API key value, you can go to settings option, go to API key, copy this particular key and place it over here. And this is also done. And then move on to the body section. So when it comes to the body section, again go to your templates, just click on automate. You will be able to see the body part. This is a sample body code that is given. Just copy this and place it over here. So before placing it over here, you need to select raw format and let this remain JSON. So just place the code that you just copied. And now what you will have to do is, you will have to edit this particular code based on the placeholders that you placed in your document. So to start with the template ID, copy it from the URL. Just copy it after ID is equal to until the last. Copy that part and place it over here. And when you have to edit this content part, just change all the content based on placeholders that you placed over here. So after data, we have this name, notes and all these placeholders over here. I have also given name. So I'm just repeating the same process. I'm replacing placeholders in the sample PDF with the placeholders that I have added in my document. I'll just speed up this process to save time. So I have finished editing the code, and when it comes to the template ID, I had copied it from the URL as I told earlier, And the data part, the name, age and all the key values, I added it from the placeholder that I had added in my document. And I followed the same process for adding all the key and added my own value. But when you add the key value for your table and image, make sure to copy only the text part and just don't add the percentage and hash symbol while you're adding it in your code. So this is how you'll have to edit your code. So once you're done editing your code, just click on to send and you'll be able to see that this code has run successfully and we have got the generated PDF URL. Just copy this URL and try to search for that in your browser in order to see how it is looking. So here we have got the generated PDF and you will be able to see that the data that we filled in our code has been placed automatically in the placeholders that we created in the document. So this is how you can create your own PDF with the help of API. This powerful API allows you to programmatically create high quality, professional looking PDFs from your code with customizable templates, dynamic data integration and even automation features. So I hope this video would have been useful to you. Thank you for watching.